Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where we uplift each other and learn something new today. I hope you learned something today from this channel. I am thankful that you clicked on this video. I hope you stay and watch the whole video to the end and help other people discover this video. I am using the Hershey's Kisses palette by Glamlight. Before another, do not buy what society wants for you. Today's I am is lifetime after lifetime. I am a shining spirit. Lifetime after lifetime, I am a shining spirit. I want you to remember that you are a human being with a spiritual soul. Always remember you're first. Always, always love yourself. Always pick what makes you happy and brings you joy. Life is short. I am putting this color all over my eyes. Do not buy what society wants for you. Be what God wants. Your entire body is telling you this relationship is not for you. When you dim yourself, which is your light, you destroy yourself. When I was in my lowest lows, I choose Jesus. Not church, not people, not money, because when I choose Jesus, He brought all the other things into my life. I have a love relationship with the mirror. I'm in the mirror dancing, crying, talking out loud, and correcting my wrong with myself and telling myself how beautiful I am. In order to heal, you have to feel the pain. You have to cry. You might even have to scream. Knowing that the pain does melt away with time, but you have to be honest with yourself first. Pain is hard. Know that you're loved. You are loved. Today's eye look came from my Hershey's Kisses by Glamlight. My lip combo is the LA Girl liner in brown and this liquid lipstick that I got in one of my ice cream boxes. So these two are my lip combo. One color eyeshadow look with this shade only. I appreciate you very much for watching. Please remember to watch this video all the way to the end and share it with someone else. Until I see you and you see me, remember that you are a spiritual being. You are in human form with a spiritual soul. I love you always, and always remember that you belong and you are enough. See you shortly. Bye. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Always take care of yourself. Do not dim your light for another. Your soul is important to you. Your body is talking to you. Please listen.